Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on depending on when you're watching this video. So today is the 11th and I wanted to get started on this a little early, so I decided while I was sitting here doing nothing, I wanted to just go through my wallet, which I just did. I pretty much double checked everything as far as what I needed to put back in the bank. So this right here is my budget, or was my budget, for the second paycheck of November, and we are finally into December budget. So here's my budget. Let me go ahead and flip over. Also, congratulations again for Tanya at the Nightlife on winning my first giveaway prize. If you haven't seen the video for the next giveaway, go ahead and check out the previous video that I just uploaded today on the 10th. So here's my tracker, and we went through all of this together. So when we left off, I had $66 for grocery, spending had $20, gas had $40. Jasmine is bumping my leg. Miscellaneous had $20, which I had $146, and I spent $134. So I went to Walmart on the 9th, and I did in fact plan to go over, because like I said, I'm working overtime all this week. Jasmine, I'll let you out in just a minute. Don't look at me like that. Be sitting at the door, y'all. So I went to Walmart. I spent $80.81. So round up, $81. Remember, I was trying to go over because I do work overtime all this week, and yeah, I don't need to be going to the store at night, so I went over because of that. But I also got some household things, so I put all the money together, which was $146. I did spend $4, which left me with $16 in spending. Of course, today I went to the post office. Jasmine, quit bumping my leg. I went to the post office, and before that I went to Family Dollar because I needed some tape. I wanted to secure the bag. I just realized I'm not going to edit this at all, but I ended up realizing that I left your letter out of your package. I just wanted to say thank you so much for entering and congratulations. Winner number 1 was you. So now we have to see who winner number 2 is. Also, you all, if you win any of my giveaways, yes, you can re-enter. So it's totally up to you. If you want to say, hey, I'm not going to re-enter, I'll let someone else win this time. Totally up to you, but you're welcome to re-enter. It's totally up to you. Next, we have, like I said, spending for United States Postal Service and Family Dollar. $15.20. And Jasmine, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. I did use my Discover card and I ended up with $0, but remember that $40, y'all, I still haven't gotten any gas yet. So I still had that $40. So what I did was combine the money I had for groceries, which was about 20 something dollars, with the gas money, with the spending money, and I made sure I had $81 set aside for Discover. I also turned around and put the rest of the leftover money that I had left back into gas, because remember, I am going out of town. That way I can see everyone for Christmas. So I believe that was 25, 27 something dollars, almost $30. So I'm just going to add to it. So let me go ahead and stop this here. Okay, y'all, so I am back with my December 1st paycheck budget. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I have my December paycheck budget already budgeted for, and everything has already been written down. So we're going to start with the income. Of course, it's $1,842. And it's my work income versus the $20 that I told you all I had in Chime. It's the $25 that's going back into the bank. No, wait. $25 that I didn't have a clue where it came from. So we're adding it back into the budget. Also, I have the $28 that I was telling you about from gas. So when it comes to the first part of the budget, we have the fixed expenses. So first we have AT&T for $35, Term for $22, Google $1, Netflix $4, Cricket $59, NES $60, State Farm $129, and mortgage, which is mortgage and rent. So $470 is going to the rent, and the rest is going to my home fund for a total of $910 with $932 left. And if you're wondering where those numbers came from, hold on. Remember a couple videos ago I said I would need, or tried to see how much I would need for the month. So I would need $3,350 for the month, and this is where the numbers came from. So back to the budget. Okay, so I'm back. Have any of you had this Culture Pop soda? I don't like it. I'll stick with Olipop because I don't like it, but I bought it, so I'm gonna drink it. Anywho, back to the budget. Next, we have variable expenses, which is part B. So we have grocery, 175, spending 50, travel 70, miscellaneous $50. Altogether, it is $310 with $622 left. Next, we have debt. So I put the car payment here. So I am sending $230 for the moment. Navy Federal is currently down due to routine maintenance, which I don't know why they picked the middle of the day to do this, as if people ain't got stuff to pay. But that's just me. Thank goodness I don't get my paycheck sent to one bank account, right? Next, we have the $58 for Amazon, and remember that $58 comes from right here where I said I was going to pay for some things myself, depending on what everything looks like for my credit card. So that's where that came from. Hold on. So $58 with a total of $288 with $334 left. Next, we have save and challenges. So SoFi emergency fund, we got $50 for invest. I'm not including it in the budget as far as saving, but it is included. So Ally, we have $150. I'll use that for savings, challenges, all of the above. Next, we have Navy Federal savings for $5, and Buffer will get 200. Nope. Buffer will get $7 for a total of $232 with $102 left. And if we were to add my $130 from home, that means I've saved $342 so far. And the last thing we're doing is giving, and I am doing $40, and I'll end up with a total of $62 left. But of course, I said I was going to wait for the Navy Federal app to start working properly, so I'll know what's what when it comes to my credit cards. So let me put that to the side. So this is everything so far. And this challenge right here came from Amanda's budget. Amanda Budgets, before she changed her name to Life Unfiltered, which I love her channel, by the way. Her and her husband were in a car incident. Everyone is okay. You all know. For the ones that watch her channel, you know that, they do gig work for a living and their car was possibly totaled, so they're not able to work. Definitely check out her channel. Go subscribe. Go watch her videos. You will love them. So this is the next challenge I'm doing because I need all the money I can get for a girls trip, right? So this challenge is perfect. So other than that, this is the budget for the first paycheck. I didn't white this out because I didn't feel like it, but that's it. That's all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.